In this video, I will show you how to import a 3D model with textures into Roblox Studio. My name is N-hance. I am a 3D artist. I create characters for Roblox. First, we need to export the maps correctly. For this model, the specific texture maps we are using will only be base color, and the roughness information, the normal map, and the metallic map. Go ahead and click on File, and then navigate to the option labeled Export Texture. Before we begin, please make sure you have the exact same settings as I do here. You will definitely need to select the Roblox preset, the PNG file type, and a high resolution of 1024 or even higher. We will export everything, all 4 maps. Please be sure to carefully select the destination folder where you will export them. That's it, click Export. Now let's switch to Blender. Now we need to load the textures into Blender. To do this, go to Shading and create a material if there isn't one already. Like this. First, please double check to ensure that you have the Preferences add-on properly enabled within your settings. This is the one we need. Go ahead and press the keyboard shortcut combination of Ctrl-Shift-T. Now, carefully select our 4 texture maps from the folder. Here they are: the base color map, the metalness map, the normal map, and finally, the roughness map. Select all 4. They are connected automatically. This is how it looks in Blender. Now we need to export the model to FBX. Go to the model, press F4, Export FBX. Enter the name and export it to the same folder. Be sure to check this box right here. Now go to Roblox Studio. In Roblox Studio, we need to click File, then Import. Select our sword. Here it is, the third one. In the preview, the sword and all its textures are already loaded. To effectively ensure that the overall file size does not become excessively large or unmanageable, we can manually adjust and set this specific dimension right here in the settings menu. Click Import. The 3D model of the sword is currently being imported into the scene. That's all. This is what our model looks like. Thank you for watching.